When we talk about Rule 6 in the COLREGs, we're diving into the concept of safe speed. This rule is crucial for ensuring safety on the water, and it's all about being aware of your surroundings and making smart decisions. So, what does safe speed really mean? First off, it's about being able to take action if something unexpected happens. Imagine you're cruising along, enjoying the scenery, and suddenly another vessel appears out of nowhere. If you're going too fast, you might not have enough time to react. That's why maintaining a safe speed is essential. It gives you the ability to maneuver, whether that means slowing down, changing course, or stopping altogether. Now, let's break down what factors determine a safe speed. Visibility is a big one. If you're in foggy conditions or it's nighttime, you need to slow down. You can't see what's ahead and you don't want to be caught off guard. The rule of thumb here is, if you can't see clearly, you shouldn't be going fast. Next, consider the traffic around you. If you're in a busy shipping lane, you need to be aware of other vessels. The more traffic there is, the more cautious you should be. It's like driving in a crowded city. You wouldn't speed through a busy intersection, right? The same principle applies on the water. Then there's the size and type of your vessel. A larger ship takes longer to stop and maneuver than a small boat. If you're on a big cargo ship, you need to account for that when deciding your speed. The heavier you are, the more distance you need to safely change course or stop. Weather conditions also play a crucial role. High winds and rough seas can affect your vessel's handling. If the waves are choppy, it's wise to reduce your speed. Not only does this help with control, but it also ensures the safety of everyone on board. Lastly, let's not forget about the environment. Navigating through narrow channels or near shallow waters requires extra caution. In these situations, slowing down can prevent grounding or collisions with underwater obstacles. In summary, Rule 6 emphasizes the importance of being mindful of your speed in relation to your surroundings. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. By understanding the factors that influence safe speed, visibility, traffic, vessel size, weather, and environmental conditions, you can make informed decisions that keep you and others safe on the water. Remember, it's not just about following the rules. It's about ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone involved.